Hey guys, Rick Curren of TV Scaly Adventures, and I'm joined by Eddie Moles, the cool lead singer and founder of the band Bone Prophet that does all of our music. And you know, it's appropriate that we're talking today to a musician because I always tell young people when we're doing live presentations that the gifts that you are given in life, those things that you're talented at, are not really for you. They only bring you joy when you give them away. For example, I love it, Eddie, when I'm watching kids watch an episode of Scaly and they laugh or they get excited. Tell me, as a musician, what is it that makes you feel good about when you see people react to what you do?
You know, a song is a story or a message. And when you're performing one of your songs or one of your stories, and you see people get it,
right?
You know, you can tell it clicks.
Yeah.
And that's what it's all about. You know, just relating to the audience.
That's true. So guys, here's the thing that wakes you up in the morning, whether it's music or filmmaking, whatever it is that you enjoy doing, that's your gift. But it's not your gift for you, it's your gift to give away to the world. And like Eddie said, when you give that gift away, you will get so much back in reward that you will never imagine the grin on your face. Stay tuned to Scaly Adventures, and hey, check out my friends at boneprophet.com. Stay cool, stay scaly.